Hello YouTube, this is Trey Ezell once again bringing y'all an exciting video. Anyway, I'm just running my head. I want to do a little survival kit in this coffee can to put in my mom's truck. She has my old truck, 2001 Dodge 1500 Laramie. Anyway, she got a bag in her car, a little CRV. I call it a car. They call it SUV, but it's more like a car. Small SUV. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can fit all this stuff in here. But I got, right now, got some tin foil. I got some more Q-tips with a Neosporin on it. Could be first aid or fire starter. I got a thing of chapstick, bottle opener, and some Strike Anywhere matches. I just put 3 in there because you'll see later I got some more stuff, another lighter thing. Anyway, I'm going to fold this up hard as I can. Hope it'll fit. Not in the coffee can. Hope that wasn't too boring. And it ain't gonna fit. Alright. I'm gonna set y'all down again. If y'all ain't gonna be seeing nothing but the coffee can side. I'm gonna take out the can opener. It's too tall. Uh-oh. I'm making a mess. I didn't get no good tin foil. It's so cheap. And it's coming all to pieces. So this ain't the kind you want to use for sure. To make a bowl or something out of to heat on a fire. But instead of going back and getting another one, I'm just going to use this for the video. So anyway, what I got here is that fire starter / medical stuff wrapped in tin foil, and I'm putting it in this water bottle. I done tried the water bottle in the can. It'll fit without the lid. I have to put the lid in there different way. I got this first aid kit. It's got some alcohol pads, gauze, wrap gauze. I got a knife in there, band-aids, more ouch and boo-boo, a big sterile pad, some Neosporin, and a lighter. No, the lighter's over here. I'm gonna try to get that in there and this. This is one of them fishing kits I made. I don't dip this stuff. I can't stand it, but it's Longhorn. But I got a lighter in there, a couple jigs, a couple corks, and then the lid comes off of this. And the reason I wanted to use it as a fish kit is one of my first videos I ever made. But anyway, there's some fish hooks, different sizes, about 3 or 4 different sizes from that other side. I gotta get me a tripod working. Well, I ain't gotta keep leaning y'all up where y'all can't see what's going on. Leave it to me to lose something small as a... There it is. I dropped it on the floor. I'll be right back. I'm back. Another rainy day in Mississippi, y'all. Be 4 days in a row it's rain. I ain't complaining. Last August was a wet August, what we wasn't used to. And this one's gonna be the same way, so good Lord blessing us with some rain. So anyway, there's that kit. I put a Ranger band on it. I'm gonna see if I can get all this in here. I'm gonna just set y'all aside for right now. That ain't going. Might have to downsize. It's just something I wanted to try to do. It ain't gonna downside. So I'm gonna lose the cup. I'm gonna still have the tinfoil and stuff, and the fish kit. Like I said, it goes in there. It's got a little plastic lid that I didn't bring the tape, but I will be putting duct tape around the edge of the top of it just to help keep it secured. But there you have it. Impromptu survival kit made out of coffee can. And that's not a very big coffee can. It's a 12-ounce coffee can. But anyway, I love y'all. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Take care.